So, you still think that all DEXs are the same? Let me show what EVEDEX really is and why it's not just a DEX, but an ecosystem designed to evaluate your experience. Let's start with the Orderbook, not some ghost liquidity pools, a real, off-chain book with the market and limit orders. Execution? On-chain, transparent, and yeah, you can literally see how price forms, just like on a DEX. But without custody drama. No more guessing, just trading, like it should be. Next up, Perps. Long, short, with leverage. Just like your favorite centralized exchange, only without having to trust it. But hey, this is a real leverage. You mess up, you get liquidated. Don't be that guy. Wanna go 5x? Go ahead, just bring a parachute. What can you actually do there? Spot, Perps, limit orders, shorts, quests, XP farming, affiliate reward. It's more than a DEX. It's a stack experience. You came for trades. You stay for everything else. Don't know what a founding rate is? Don't Google it. There is built-in learning center right there. Learning basics, understanding risks, creating strategies. You learn, you apply, you fluff. Smart traders read on the internet, smarter ones read here. Yes, there are levels. Yes, there are achievements. Yes, you will get addicted. It's called gamified trading, and it really works. Welcome to level 1. Let's see how much you can grow. Got friend, got followers. Share your link, get a cut. It's DeFi meet referral hustle. Trade, refer, repeat. But remember, leverage is not a toy. Use stops. Manage risk. The tools are available. It's still a your call. The risk is real, so is the control. Use both wisely. We didn't just create a product, we create a movement. 1 year in, and here what that looks like. 650,000 active users, 160,000 unique wallets, more than 2 million users in our global community. A growing ecosystem, not just of traders, but of explorers, builders, innovators, believers. Arbitrum, HashX, Animoca, and many others are our friends. Hackernoon and Being Crypto Media Support, and even Startup of the Year prize. Different cultures, one shared idea. DeFi should be open, fair, and real. These aren't just numbers, these are proof. EVEDEX isn't just another DEX, it's a machine, a toolkit built for traders, powered by transparency. Try it, and tell me you are not impressed.